Most homes have a problem. The primary suite is upstairs, the kids are downstairs, or your guests are right next to your bedroom. This home solves that problem. Built in 2024, this home was designed with comfort and practicality in mind. With over 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a dedicated office, there's plenty of room to spread out. And what I love most is the layout. The primary suite is downstairs, giving you the privacy and separation from the rest of the home. The downstairs primary retreat features a spacious bedroom, large walk-in closet, dual sink, soaking tub, and separate showers. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, a second living area, and a private office with French doors. Whether it's kids, guests, hobbies, or working from home, everybody gets their own space. The kitchen sits at the center of the home, connecting naturally to the living and dining spaces. Outside, you'll enjoy a fenced backyard with open views, while fully owned solar helps keep things efficient. And living here isn't just about the house. You'll also have access to the Summit Club, with a heated pool, spa, fitness center, sports courts, clubhouse, barbecue area, and more. So if you've been looking for a newer home that gives everybody their own space while still bringing everyone together, this is exactly what you've been looking for. So reach out and let's make your California dreams come true.